Now at face value this song is really easy to play, but I'm going to show you 6 subtle ninja guitar tricks that you need to know to be able to play this song properly. Your lipstick stains. Hey there budding Campfire Guitar Heroes, and welcome to song number 7 in my countdown of the top 10 greatest campfire guitar songs of all time. And as you can probably guess, this song is Hey Soul Sister by US band Train, released way back in 2009. And the reason this song makes the cut is it's got a feel-good vibe about it. Plus it's meshed with some quirky and unforgettable lyrics. But it's the tempo in the chorus that draws everyone in and they want to sing along with the song. Now here's a couple of fun facts. This song has been Train's biggest ever selling single of all time, according to Wikipedia. In fact, it hit #1 in 16 countries all around the world, proving its widespread appeal. And in 2010 it was the second largest selling song in the US for the whole year. Can you guess what #1 was? I'll tell you at the end of the video. So let me show you how to play the song, and as always I do a free song sheet for all my lessons. It's got the chords, the lyrics, everything you need to know how to learn, practice and play the song. The link is in the description below. Alright, so the chords are pretty straightforward. Any 1, 5, 6, 4 chord combination will do. I'm choosing to play this in the key of G, so the chords are a G, a D, an E minor, and a C. And you're probably looking at my fingers going, what's going on there, Dean? Yes, I'm a left-hand guitar player and I'm playing on a right-hand strum guitar. So all my chord patterns up here will feel upside down to you. I'll leave the chord patterns on the screen there, you can follow along. But really with this song, that's the easy bit. It's what you do at this end of the guitar that really matters for this song. So the first ninja trick is you got to use one of these. Get a capo and put it at least on fret 5 and higher if your voice can match the key. So if I played it on number 7 and I'm going to do the G, D, E minor, let's do it now. And of course it sounds so much higher, more trebly. I don't know if that's such a word, but that's closest to sounding to a ukulele that you'll get on a guitar, as opposed to playing it open chords down here. Here's what it sounds like. Your lipstick stains. Alright, but that sounds so much like a guitar. So the closer to a ukulele you want to sound means the higher up the neck you got to play this. So the second ninja trick to this song is the strum. Alright, it's the essence of the song and it's relentless. Now I play without a pick with this song because I reckon the pick sounds a bit too mechanical, a bit harsh. So I just throw the pick away and I'll use my hands. And that way I get more feel with the strings and I can strum a bit quicker. Now you've got to do economic strumming, alright? So all I'm going to be doing is just keeping my hand pretty much in the zone of the sound hole, and I'll just demo it for you right now. You can see my hands hardly moving. All I'm doing is using my finger up and down, and let's do the strumming pattern now. So the strumming pattern, I'll slow it right down and then I'll build up speed. Okay, so what is that strumming pattern? It's a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Letting the strings ring out all the way. I'm not doing any palm muting for the verse of this song. Your lipstick stains from the front lobe of my left side brace. Now the third ninja trick is it's the exact same strumming pattern and the exact same chord pattern for the bridge of the song. It goes like this. You know I got a rug, watching you's the only drug I need. So gangster, I'm so low, you're the only one I'm dreaming of, you see. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. You know how it goes. And of course the fourth secret ninja trick is the vocal ability needed for this song. Alright, I struggle a bit with this song. I call this song busker level according to my patented Patreon vocal ability rating system. Check that out. I've got the link below to my Patreon page. That's where you can actually download the song sheet and the free songbook. And a big shout out to my Patreons. Thanks for supporting me, guys and gals. It's truly appreciated. So we move to the chorus of the song, where I'll show you the 5th ninja trick. The chorus is basically alternating between the C chord and the D chord. But you're not going to do strums that ring out, you're going to do muted strums, just like this. Hey, so sister, what that mister on the radio, stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey. So, see what I was doing there? I'm doing this sort of a down block, down block, down block, up, down. Down block, down block, down block, up, down, down block. Block is basically the down strum or the muted palm muting down, alright? Down block, down block, down block, up, down, down block, down block, down block, up, down. Hey, soul sister, what that mister on the radio, stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. And on that bit, on the way you move ain't fair, you know, I'm just doing down strums but blocking them at the same time on the D. Way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, what's that mister on the radio? Tonight, back to the top. Tonight, hey, hey, and so on like that. Such a cool song. It's just got such a great vibe. That's why people love singing it. That's why I love singing it. And that's why I'm going to share you the 6th and final ninja trick. Because you need to subscribe to this channel to stay in touch with this countdown. And you should definitely check out these other songs in this top 10 playlist. I'll see you next week.